Thanks for watching all the videos so far. This is something very new and very big for me at least. So I hope you guys like whatever I put out. We finally reached Bengaluru. Sir, HPR layout esto? Okay, so we checked out from Tuscany Land Resort. We're just gonna be roaming around the streets of Bangkok today because we have a flight in the evening. We'll do a little bit of shopping. We don't have much money left, but a little bit of shopping. And then, yeah, of course, check into the airport. There's a big ass temple just near our homestay near Don Mueang, so we've come to explore. This will be the last place of our Thailand journey.
तुसी जा रहे हो? तुसी ना जाओ.
And after this, we'll just be having lunch and heading to the airport. Whoa, look at the size, man. From a rat to a cow to a tiger to everything. Look to the painting on the walls. And at least 5 degrees cooler inside. The temple has paintings of Gautam Buddha. And perhaps maybe how Buddhism was spread by all its disciples. The Thai culture is so mysterious. It feels like it's some other world here. Of course, you might find it very similar in all Buddhist countries across Southeast Asia, but still very different and unique. Especially the color scheme these people use. Look at the blue sky here. They even have a section in the temple for performing the last rites of the people. And a lot of people's photos are stuck here. Rest in peace, you guys. Okay, I think this is the crematorium right next to the temple. Life and death come together.
Hands up to you, sir. Hands up to you.
You guys need to try exploring other countries as well. It gives you more perspectives. Of course, our India is the most beautiful country with so much cultures and so much diversity. But going abroad learning about other cultures and what people are, how people are. I think it's really important for us because we weren't just meant to be born in one place and die. I know I'm being philosophical, but it's a fact. By the way, the temple was called 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃 Temple. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃. Repeat after me. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗃.
Patrick, can you shut the fuck up?
But just like every other metro city, look what we have here right next to this magnificent temple.
Congratulations, brother.
Brilliant shiz. And there are no buildings coming up here. Such a huge city, but they still can't fix their drainage problem. There is like a proper food flea market here. We thought we'll go try lunch there. The blue building, yes, you can see it. Very strong smell. Everything seems like it's on a cheaper rate here. But the place, trust me, stinks. Come on, very weird smell. I'm not making fun of their culture, but crabs. Of course, now you know the reason why it's stinking. Seems like more of a Sunday bazaar. I don't think so we'll be able to sit here and eat. So we are planning to just go to a regular restaurant and eat food. I think in that market is not possible. For a normal person, I don't think so it's possible. What is this? Other temple. By the way, I used to have around 150 GB on my memory. I only have memory where I can just shoot 24 minutes of high quality videos. So yeah, it was a complete trip. With of course its lows and highs. But especially for Indians, I think this place it's mandatory at least once. You need to visit. People are over welcoming here. Okay, it's a final goodbye to Bangkok and Thailand.
It's a late goodbye.
We're almost entering the airport now. Whew, tiring day. Look at the grand ass airport.
Three hours later.
We finally reached Bengaluru. Welcome back, Bengaluru. I guess the flight pilot was ripping. He made it reach half an hour before the estimated time. Anyways, God bless him. Let him go back home and sleep. Feeling good to be back. I can finally eat some food. How's your feeling?
Same. Getting good food, getting good sleep.
I'm a sleepyhead on my bed, call me sleepyhead. He a sleepyhead on his bed, call him sleepyhead.
More than good food, it's good sleep for you.
Yes, home sweet home. Happy Republic Day.
𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗶. Thanks for watching all the videos so far. I keep coming with more such content. So
Please like, share and subscribe.
this is something very new and very big for me at least. Sir, HBR layout ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಷ್ಟು? See you in the future videos. Bangkok coffee was better.